Hey there, Aaron here with Grow Lawn. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what I've been seeing and what to look for in the coming months. It's the beginning of June. We're still getting a lot of rain. Matter of fact, it rained a bunch last night. You can probably see my lawn in the background here. Has some wet spots. But in the upcoming months, we're going to need to really follow the watering guide that's on our website. And you're going to have a high water bill June through October every year. That's just part of living in Texas and having a warm season grass. Now, I do want to go over the springtime watering. We just got through the spring. So January through May 31st, no automatic irrigation from your sprinkler system. Yeah, that's right, no automatic sprinklers. So I've been seeing a lot of disease and a lot of yellowing and root suffocation in lawns that are giving supplemental water to lawns that already are wet. So avoid that, and you can water it in application in the spring, but typically you don't need to run your sprinkler system any time between January and May 31st. Now we are coming up on the hottest part of the year where you really need to ramp up your sprinkler system, and now it's time to check your irrigation for leaks. Maybe some heads aren't rotating properly or stuck. So now's the time to check those things before it gets hot, and you don't recognize those things until you have dead spots in your yard. So make sure you check your sprinkler system. Again, follow our watering guide on our website. It's based on temperature, and then of course you're going to adjust for shade and any kind of rain we do get. You're going to adjust those recommendations accordingly. If you have any questions about your lawn, give me a call at 1-800-LAWN CARE. And thanks for your business, and we'll see you on the lawn.